Right, welcome to Wedza. Welcome to Mashonaland East Province. This is going to be our next project as we move into rural sustainability and rural development. And this is one of the best sites we've got, and it's in rural Wedza, and it's in Mashonaland East Province. So we're overlooking is Wedza. You can all see all this Wedza mountain. You can see everything. You can see buses. You can see the buses up there. Yeah. So this is your next home. Something very exciting. You're gonna have resting places here. You can book. You can make a village up here. A cultural village again will come up here, and this is the most exciting thing to ever happen to our rural communities. And we are quite excited that Wedza will be the next to have a sustainable village, and all the way from Victoria Falls to Wedza. And we're excited, and for Wedza to welcome us into your communities. And we are working with you with the next generation of African villages. Something exciting is going to happen on this rock. And yeah, we look forward to that. My name, by the way, is Taku Motefa, and I'm here in Wedza, Mashonaland East Province, part of Zimbabwe. And thank you anyway for listening to our rural content.